Welcome to Sam's Antique Motors. Sam Wilson here. Happy to say that the day that we've all been waiting for has finally arrived. This morning I got a call about 7 o'clock, so I jumped up and put on my best hairdo. Mike Massengale offered to come over and help me put the cab back on the chassis, which is kind of a two, if not a two-man and one-woman job. So we've got that set up today, and I'm waiting on them to arrive over here at the LaGrange Shine-Up shop, where we're going to use the tractor to pick up the cab and set that baby down on that chassis and put 4 bolts in it and call that cake baked. So stay tuned. We're going to roll this cab out, do a little rearranging of chassis and body, and set it down on top.
We got it clear?
I think so.
Should.
Get close. When we move up closer, we're going to get...
Watch out, baby. Come on down. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Put them on. Hold right there. Yeah, kill that thing. Okay, we're gonna have to.
Now we just need to get the...
We twist it to get it on there. We need to have to roll back a little.
Well, as you can see, we got the cab back on there with the help of Mike Massengale and his lovely film assistant, Miss Claire Massengale. She's got a lot of experience behind the camera, so she was doing some of the video work for us today, plus doing some tool fetching and some wheel rolling and some wheel stop fetching, and all good. We got it down on there, not a scratch on it. Got all the 4 bolts, went right in place with just a tiny bit of wiggling and adjusting, and we're ready now to move on to the next steps. We'll start buckling her together and getting the wiring harness in, and go ahead and finish putting the carpet in and get the doors on it later this week, and so it's all starting to come together. Stay tuned as we finish the next segment.
Download the Resto-Rat app today to begin managing, tracking, and documenting your restoration project.